Hi guys, welcome back to the IMHO Reviews channel. Today, I will be talking about Skillshare, an online learning platform that many of you guys have already heard about. In this video, I will share my experience and the pros and cons of Skillshare. I know that some of you are watching this video trying to decide whether you should sign up for a Skillshare membership, go with one of its competitors like Udemy or LinkedIn Learning, or just continue watching tutorials on YouTube. So I hope that this video will help you make up your mind. Please smash that like button, and if you like this video, subscribe at the end of it. Okay now, and let's get to the review. When I first discovered Skillshare 4 years ago, I was very excited. The idea of upskilling and continuing education fascinated me so much that I really thought it could change the world. Well, at least my world. I started taking classes right away and learned new skills. And then I thought that if I loved Skillshare so much, then so would everyone else. That's when I created my first Skillshare review video. And to this day, I can't thank Skillshare enough for giving me the knowledge and motivation to grow and expand my business. For those of you who haven't heard of Skillshare before, let me explain what it is and how it works. Basically, Skillshare is a subscription-based online learning platform. For around $14 a month, you get unlimited access to over 27,000 classes and workshops. I've done my fair share of online learning, especially in the past year, and there are a few things I noticed that make Skillshare stand out among other online learning platforms. Every course you take on Skillshare is focused on learning one specific skill in a short period of time. In my opinion, it's a double-edged sword, because some courses only cover the basics, which is not enough to really master the skill. At the same time, there are many great courses where you actually focus on what's critical and in the end develop new skills that you need to advance your career. You can apply the skills learned in Skillshare classes in the real world. And this is the whole purpose of their courses: learn and implement to keep the momentum going. Skillshare is all about project-based learning, which is a great way to practice new skills. The platform gives you the tools to upload your work and see other people's projects. You can be a part of the community, ask questions, and participate in discussions. Skillshare is very affordable. If you get an annual membership, you will end up paying only $14 a month. Right now, Skillshare also offers a 30-day free trial and a 40% discount on an annual premium subscription that includes unlimited access to all Skillshare classes. Speaking of classes, Skillshare often invites celebrity teachers. Just recently, they launched 2 new classes taught by NBC talk show host Lily Singh and a New York Times best-selling author, Jonathan Van Ness. You can learn for free. Yes, that's right. Skillshare has thousands of free classes and the content is great. Although it seems that Skillshare removed the filter for free courses, which is not very convenient. Ever since I uploaded my first Skillshare video review, I've been getting tons of comments. And although most people love the platform, I soon realized that there were some who weren't as happy with Skillshare as I was. Instead of learning new skills, they preferred to complain about non-existing issues, but hey, I'm sure those people have never paid hundreds of bucks for worthless courses from JVZoo and don't know what a bad learning platform is. Okay, in all seriousness, I believe that everyone is entitled to their own opinion, and I have to admit that some people brought up valid points. So I gathered the most common complaints about Skillshare to give you a full picture. Here we go, my list of Skillshare cons. Skillshare doesn't give certificates when you complete a course. You won't be getting any piece of paper, just the knowledge and skills. Although the fact that it's not a real education is not important for me, it may be a concern for some people. Some Skillshare classes are outdated and lack quality. Make sure to check the reviews from other members before signing up for any class. If you forget to cancel your free trial, you will get charged a monthly or yearly fee. So if you're not planning to continue using the service, cancel your subscription before the trial ends. Skillshare offers refunds for annual Skillshare memberships if you contact the company within 7 days after the charge has been processed. No refund will be issued on monthly membership payments. There is a 1 refund per customer rule, which of course makes total sense. Many people are excited about Skillshare when they first join the platform, but they don't take any action nor learn any skills. Is that Skillshare's fault? Obviously not. If you want to get the most out of Skillshare classes, then I recommend taking a productivity course that will teach you how to learn faster and procrastinate less. installing the Skillshare app and placing it next to your social media apps, and committing at least 5 minutes a day to learning. Okay, enough with the negatives. Let's get to Skillshare's pros now. The first is obviously the price. For only $14 a month, you get unlimited access to thousands of courses. No other online learning platform offers anything like that. Skillshare has over 27,000 courses that are grouped into 4 different categories: creative, business, lifestyle, and technology. You can learn anything from animation and graphic design to marketing and business analytics. There is a 30-day free trial, which is an awesome opportunity for those of you who want to try Skillshare before committing to a subscription. There are classes for all levels, from beginner to advanced. Most courses include a project which makes learning more effective and fun. You can also participate in discussions and ask teachers questions. The classes are divided into short lessons so you can learn at your own pace. And with the Skillshare app, you can learn on the go. Anyone can teach on Skillshare, which can both be a bad and a good thing. And even though most classes are taught by working professionals, experts in their fields, and even celebrities, there are some teachers that lack experience. So again, read reviews before taking any course. Okay, but what about other platforms? Is Skillshare better than Udemy and LinkedIn Learning? Well, that depends on your needs. LinkedIn Learning is a good platform, but it has a more passive learning approach than Skillshare. Udemy has great courses, but you have to pay for each one individually. If you want to take just 1 or 2 courses, then Udemy is a good choice. Otherwise, I'd go with Skillshare. Unlike other platforms, Skillshare also provides a sense of community, which I think is very important for learning success. So, in a nutshell, is Skillshare worth it? To be honest, I believe that Skillshare is not for everyone. But if you're an open-minded person who's always looking to learn something new, or you just want to learn a certain skill, then yes, it's 100% worth it. You need to be willing to commit to learning, even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes a day, and to implement new skills in your daily routine. There are so many benefits of lifelong learning. You improve your personal and professional skills, learn what's really important for you, become more motivated, and achieve your most ambitious goals. And what's more important, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and makes you happier. Try it and you will see the difference in no time. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Check out the article in the description for current Skillshare prices, a 40% discount on annual membership, and a link to a 30-day free trial.